Hello guys! Welcome to Art of Yesh. Why do we lose hair even when we're using expensive shampoos and oils? The real reason is not what most people think. In this video, I'll explain how hair loss happens in a simple way. Once you get this, you'll never see hair fall the same way again. Every strand of hair grows from a tiny structure under your skin called a hair follicle. Each follicle follows a cycle: growth, rest, and shedding. Losing 50 to 100 hairs a day is normal. Hair loss starts when this cycle gets disturbed. The most common reason is a hormone called DHT. DHT slowly shrinks the follicle, so hair becomes thinner. Growth slows down, and eventually the hair stops growing. Hair loss has many causes: genetics, hormone issues, stress, poor nutrition, and scalp problems. That's why changing shampoo alone doesn't fix it. The real problem is inside the follicle. If this helped, like and subscribe, and comment hair for a regrowth video.